received a package from Ather. I don't know what this is. Let's have a check. Let's unbox Ather packaging. Okay. Yeah, seems like there is some kind of bottle or something. Let's open this up. Moment of truth. Oh, nice. Oh, you got Ather branding here, you can see. Oh yeah, there is 450X written here. Maybe something related to 450X. Hey, I think it's a t-shirt from 450X booking. Let's see. Oh, very nice package. Oh, my size, t-shirt size, large. Yeah, let's open. Oh, pretty nice packaging. Wow. Oh, there's nothing else. Let's keep it aside and look at the t-shirt. Oh, wow. Looks good. It's a white t-shirt, plain white t-shirt with this 450, some quirky designs. Not sure what these are. This might be some form of X written here. Yeah, you can see it's X in some places. So this is the parcel from Ather. Cheers guys, continue watching the video for the Ather 450 now. Peace out.